NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has just begun its journey, and already, the universe appears more mysterious and beautiful than we could have ever imagined. Launched into deep space on Christmas Day in 2021, the largest telescope ever built has a primary mission: to uncover the "Let there be light" moment when the first stars and galaxies lit up after the Big Bang. Recently, we were treated to captivating images as Webb gazes back toward the origin of everything. This glimpse into the cosmos is just the beginning. In one of Webb's early deep dives into space, 250 hours of exposures expanded our imagination. Each small dot in these images represents stars or galaxies, some larger than our own Milky Way. Astrophysicist Brant Robertson took us on a journey through 130,000 galaxies, half of which had never been seen before. These massive swirls of stars form galaxies, some familiar, others beyond our wildest expectations. One of the standout galaxies is dubbed the Cosmic Rose. By sheer coincidence, its shape resembles a flower. Robertson pointed out how space is more crowded than we might think, with galaxies constantly interacting and merging. He zoomed in on a pair of galaxies colliding, their gravitational forces pulling stars out of one another. These cosmic interactions are a mesmerizing sight. Robertson, a professor at the University of California, Santa Cruz, is part of Webb's most ambitious mission, the Advanced Deep Extragalactic Survey. His team recently discovered the most distant galaxy known to date, over 33 billion light-years away. This galaxy formed just 320 million years after the Big Bang, a time when the universe was only about 2% of its current age. Despite its distance and appearance as a faint red splotch, astronomers can learn a wealth of information from it, such as its star formation rate, size, and the age of its stars. The discovery of this early galaxy, and others like it, reveals that galaxies ignited their stars at an astonishing pace, much like a hummingbird's rapid heartbeat. Despite being much smaller than the Milky Way, this galaxy is forming stars at a similar rate. The James Webb Telescope's journey has been an extraordinary one. In 2021, more than a few hearts raced as the $10 billion observatory prepared for launch. Earlier that year, we had a final glimpse of Webb in California before it was folded into a 15-foot wide nose cone for its journey into space. Named after a former NASA administrator, the telescope took 25 years to build. Its massive sun shield, as large as a tennis court, and 21-foot gold-plated mirrors are designed to gather light from the furthest reaches of the universe. After launch, Webb began its voyage, heading into an orbit around the Sun, a million miles from Earth. Engineers used a distant star to align its mirrors, and what initially appeared as digital noise in the images turned out to be galaxies, countless galaxies filling the entire sky. Matt Mountain, who leads Webb's operations, was astonished. "There is no empty sky," he exclaimed. "Every corner of the universe is teeming with galaxies, a fact we only theorized before Webb's stunning images confirmed it." Webb's discoveries are also a reminder of how much remains unknown. For instance, galaxies are drifting apart at increasing speeds, defying our understanding of gravity. Scientists believe that mysterious forces like dark energy and dark matter, making up 95% of the universe, must be at play. Yet, we don't know what they are. As Matt Mountain points out, astronomy is a humbling field, with much more to uncover. Even with the mysteries, Webb's capabilities are thrilling. Purdue University astronomer Dan Milosavljevic was awestruck by the telescope's ability to reveal unprecedented details of supernovae, the massive star explosions that create the elements necessary for life. Carl Sagan's famous words, "We are all made of star stuff," ring true as we understand that every supernova explosion produces the raw materials for life: the iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, and the oxygen we breathe. Webb, designed to detect infrared light, acts like a night vision camera, seeing heat radiation from the earliest light in the universe. Astronomers like Elisa Pagan and Joe DePasquale are responsible for turning this invisible infrared data into the stunning images we now see. By assigning colors to different wavelengths of light, they create the full-color images that captivate us. One of their favorites is an image of the star cluster NGC 346, with cosmic dust sculpted into ripples by star interactions. They also captured breathtaking images of the Tarantula Nebula, a star-forming nursery, with galaxies as a backdrop. Being the first people in history to see these wonders is both an honor and a mind-blowing experience for them. Webb's discoveries will continue to challenge and rewrite our understanding of the universe. Astrophysicist Erica Nelson and her team may have already found 5 massive galaxies that formed too quickly after the Big Bang, potentially requiring a revision of our understanding of galaxy formation. As Brent Robertson says, the record for the earliest galaxy won't stand for long. With enough time, Webb could find every galaxy that ever formed in the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope will likely operate for up to 25 years, during which time it may help answer fundamental questions about the origins of life, space, and time. We're seeing a universe we only dreamed of before. Now, with Webb, we're finally able to witness it for the first time.